Hello there, this is Ashley, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel, the hosting platform of choice. Today I'm going to show you how to use WHM's Contact Manager interface, which allows you to customize how, when, and what type of alert notifications you want to receive from the system. Before getting started, let's go ahead and log into our WHM account. On the WHM home interface, we'll select Contact Manager from the Server Contacts section here, or type Contact Manager in the provided search text box here to quickly access this feature. On the Contact Manager interface, we have two options to select from: the Communication Type and the Notifications tab. First, let's take a look at the Communication Type tab. This is the tab that's open by default when we navigate to the Contact Manager interface. Communication type allows you to define how you want to receive a system alert notification. WHM supports email, HipChat, ICQ, URL posting, push bullet, and SMS notification types. You're not restricted to a single method of communication, and you can specify the notification priority of each communication type. For example, let's set up notification alerts via email and SMS. First, we want to make sure that our contact information is correct and up to date. We have an email address and it's correct, but we're missing some SMS information, so we need to provide these details. Let's go ahead and click Edit for SMS here. The system will direct us to the basic Web Host Manager Setup Interfaces SMS information section. For this example, let's enter user@examplesms.com and click Save Changes. Let's go ahead and return to the Contact Manager's interface. As you can see, we now have our email address and SMS contact details set. Next, let's select the urgency of these notification messages. For our email address, let's select All from the Receives column for our notices. This is already set, so we can just leave it as it is. For our SMS preferences, however, we want to receive high-level urgency notices, so we will need to select that option from the menu. We're done here, so let's go ahead and click Save. The system notifies us with a successful confirmation interface. Nice! Let's return to the Contact Manager interface. Let's go ahead and check out that Notifications tab. Here we can fine-tune our system alert notifications by varying the levels of urgency. This importance level defines which methods of communication can receive these notifications. As you can see, there are a lot of notifications that we can choose to enable. I recommend that you check out our Contact Manager documentation for a very comprehensive list, linked in the video description below. We can select as many or as few notifications as we want, or we can select or deselect every alert type by clicking All or None in the checkbox menu here. We can even use this section to set the importance level for all of our current selections with the convenient disabled, low, medium, and high options located here. For this example, let's select the Account Creation, Account Removal, and Update Failures alerts. I'll click the checkboxes by Account Creation and Account Removal. However, rather than scroll, let's just type Update Failures in the search text box here. We'll click the checkbox here, then click the X icon here by the search text bar to clear the search. Next, we'll want to define the importance level of these notifications. This menu provides levels ranging from disabled to high importance. Note that the level of importance affects how the system will send the communication type. So if we want to receive messages via SMS, we'll need to select High to receive it. Since we entered our SMS contact info, let's select High for our selected alert types. Let's use the convenient importance selections here by the search box and click High. Now we'll receive notices via SMS for these three alert types. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. I've included a link to our Contact Manager documentation in the video description below. For information about cPanel, visit us at cpanel.com or follow @cpanel on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.